What if one day you woke up and the internet was gone, vanished, disappeared forever? Imagine the shock, the bewilderment, the utter confusion that would ensue. It's a world that seems unfathomable, isn't it? Now let's meet our cast, 3 hypothetical YouTube influencers who've built their careers around their online personas. First, we have a beauty vlogger, an artist in her own right, who has built a devoted following with her makeup tutorials. Then there's the gaming streamer, who's known for his epic battles and strategic prowess. And finally, we have the fitness guru, whose workouts have inspired thousands to live healthier lives. Now, imagine their reactions when they discover that their digital world has evaporated. The beauty vlogger can't upload her latest tutorial, the gaming streamer can't log in for his daily live stream, and the fitness guru can't share her latest workout regimen. As the reality of a life without internet sets in, our influencers begin to understand the full extent of their predicament. In an internetless world, survival requires adaptation. But how do our YouTubers fare? Imagine the beauty vlogger, once hailed queen of the online makeup world, now struggling to sell her products in local stores. She's swapped her studio lights for fluorescent ones, her comments section for real-time customer feedback. The world of retail is a stark contrast to her former online empire. She's no longer just a face on a screen but a real person, selling to real people. The struggle is real. She's finding that her online success doesn't translate so easily into real-world sales. The art of persuasion, it seems, requires a different set of skills when you're face-to-face with your customers. And then there's the gaming streamer, who once commanded legions of fans with his epic gaming battles. Now he's trying to parlay those gaming skills into a job in a world where online gaming no longer exists. He's discovered that the thrill of the game doesn't necessarily translate into the thrill of the job hunt. His resume, once filled with gaming achievements, now feels sparse. The lack of online platforms has forced him to rethink his skills and how they apply in a world where his primary platform no longer exists. Consider the fitness guru, who used to motivate thousands to sweat it out in their living rooms. He's now trying to keep his followers fit and healthy through local gyms and outdoor classes. But it's a more traditional approach, and not everyone is keen to swap their comfortable living rooms for the local park. Plus, the lack of instant feedback and the ability to reach a worldwide audience at the click of a button is proving a real challenge. In a world where clicks and views no longer matter, our influencers are finding their new reality a tough pill to swallow. They're learning that survival in an internetless world means adapting not just their careers but their entire way of life. As the dust settles in our internetless world, what lessons have our influencers learned? Let's start with our beauty vlogger. Stripped of her online platform, she's had to adapt, and in doing so, she's made a profound realization. The importance of real-world networking and the value of physical presence in a store can't be underestimated. Without the internet to bridge gaps, she's found herself engaging directly with her audience, creating a human connection that she didn't realize she was missing. She's learned to appreciate the power of face-to-face interactions in building trust and credibility. Her skills in makeup and beauty have taken on a new form, one that's more tangible and real. Our gaming streamer, on the other hand, has discovered a newfound appreciation for skills outside of his gaming world. With screens going dark, he's had to take a step back and look at the bigger picture. He's found that his problem-solving skills, honed by countless hours of gaming, can be applied in many real-world situations. His fast reflexes and strategic thinking, once used to conquer virtual worlds, have found a place in the physical world. This transition has shown him that his gaming skills are not just for entertainment, they can be invaluable in other areas of life. And what about our fitness guru? In the absence of virtual workouts and online fitness programs, she's discovered the irreplaceable value of personal interaction in fitness instruction. The one-on-one training sessions, the real-time feedback, the personal touch, these are things that digital platforms can't replicate. She's realized that the human element in fitness instruction is what truly motivates and inspires people to pursue their fitness goals. So, what do we take away from all this? The internet's sudden disappearance has been challenging, to say the least, but it has also been a catalyst for change and growth. Our influencers have learned that their skills are not confined to the digital world. They've discovered new ways to engage, to adapt, to survive, and even to thrive. In a world without internet, our influencers have learned that their skills can still find a place. They just have to look harder and think smarter.